I hope you enjoyed today's video, but before we get started, please subscribe and remember to hit the bell for notifications.
It's Thursday morning at the Skoolie Palooza. Just want to show you kind of how many rigs are here. I think they're hitting in the 170s. Still kind of early, so people ain't quite up yet. There's sunshine way over there. This is just everybody waking up. It's about 7, a little after 7, I think. That's why there's not a lot of movement. But people are starting to get out. You can see smoke coming out of chimneys. There's a lot of wood fireplaces in these things. That's the big pile of firewood they went and got yesterday. There's somebody way down there on this roof. And if you see the white van there, then the white bus right on side of it with the tilting solar panel with just one and one's missing. That guy bent that, and so he's pulling that off, and we're going to make him a whole new frame today and get it put back up there. We actually got a welding seminar today. I'm going to do a little seminar on just basic welding. There's our rig here. Here's our little cook place. We had some big like prawn shrimp last night. Butter and garlic. It's pretty tasty. But that's just a morning view. I'll go finish my coffee. See how things go.
One time maybe I was, but I mean, I do a lot of trades. This little rig here, we built the whole thing. You know, way back, 40-something years ago, maybe I welded professionally on HVAC contractors. They did high rises, 26 cut out. I tell people, yeah, I got an 8 degree. And they say, oh, where'd you get that degree at? I went to grade school. but anyhow, so some of the quickie things. There's different welders. This one right here is a 220, so if the generator would supply it with enough power, I could weld up to 1/2-inch steel. And that means just penetrating, so you melt good on both sides. You could take a 110 thing and say, I can weld it, but you're not penetrating. You get something on top that's not really strong. So that's the big thing. With this generator, I can weld 1/4 inch where it melts real good. So I'm okay. Most of this stuff out here, you're not thicker than 1/4 inch. A lot of the stuff is 1/8 inch, 3/16. A lot of the racks we do, some of the hitches and stuff is a little thicker. We did so the green and white bus over there, I did a thing with some 3-inch squares so he could drive his motorcycle up on front. And I told him, you know, you buy what I tell you, and it won't jiggle. And he says, man, that thing don't even wiggle. So, you know, it's out there. But some of the things is, like I say, you've got different kind of welders. This one only do steel. So say it's a MIG. So you've got a TIG that can do, you know, aluminum and steel, but it's a different setup. It's a little more critical. Like I tell people with this, if they can roast a marshmallow without burning it, you can wire feed. Isn't that right? I'll just look at somewhere else.
I'm not into marshmallows.
Okay.
It's a very forgiving machine.
and it is, and we might try to do some quickie looky things. So these are some brackets I made for somebody, and this is like a 10-minute job. And I mean, I could have did a little bit better, but they're twice as strong as what he needs. So, but once you get your adjustments right, because that's the big thing, is your adjustments. Like this one's got like 1 through 10 and A, B, C, and D. So 1 through 10 is your wire speed. So when you push this button, so your wire comes out here, and this whole thing comes apart. So if you're starting to have problems, this right here get too dirty, and it just unscrews, maybe with a pair of pliers, and it comes off, and you put a new tip on. Same with this. If it got too bad, most of the time this, if you just take a little wire brush or something, because it's copper, so it'll just brush off and clean off, and then it just screws back on. So with the TIG, or this, so with this welder, this is argon gas, so it's not flammable, so it's not like a blow up gas type thing, but you need it to weld with this. So this is like an argon mix. It's a 70-25. To weld aluminum stuff, you need pure, which would be 75, so you'd have to have another tank and all that. And I just do steel, you know. Aluminum, it's not as forgiving as steel. It burns little holes in it real quick, and now you go, oh man, I got a hole. Now I got to go back and try to patch that hole. With this, you can fill in, you know, a 1/2-inch hole, and just by going back and forth, and it'll finally fill in the whole hole. So it's pretty forgiving. But like I say, so the big thing is your speeds, and we will start this up. But as you pull your trigger, this wire comes out, and you know it's got 1 through 10, and you'll learn. So you know what you're doing, you just set it. So at first, if you're doing something different, like if you do this too slow, what's going to happen is going to be a little red, like a drip ball there, and because there's not enough wire coming out, so this will heat up and it just fall down, and so now you're not really welding. If you're welding too fast with the wire speed, then it's going to come out and it's going to pop, because it's coming out, it's just popping too quick, so it's not melting. Try to have it pretty low. Because if you tried to weld this right here, even with everything perfect and going good, it would get back into that chicken. You know, it just look nice. Because what happens is on top, it might be where you can get it to look pretty, but it's not penetrating. It's not going down into it. So it's a make-believe weld, I guess. So the big thing is clean it. The new steel, it does have a coating on it. And I still buff it real quick, you know, just to say. But I mean, I did some where I couldn't buff it and welded it, and it was new steel, and it did fine. So the new steel, you're good. Once it gets rusty, it's best if you clean it. If it's real rusty, you know, you just clean it the best you can. If it's got paint already on it, and you're going to weld, like, you know, you can't weld through paint. So you just clean it off. You know, come back later with the wire brush it off, reprime it, repaint it.
And something we came across quite a bit is if it's too much rust and your finger goes through it, you can't weld the rust. You cannot weld the rust.
We hit some things at the Vandenville and other places that, you know, they wanted something falling down and they wanted me to rust it or paint it, or not paint it, but weld it. And I said, well, let me look at it. And I go over there, and you know, we hit one a couple years ago, and it was the main frame, and so it's like 1/4-inch thick. I can stick my finger to it. And I told him, man, I can't weld it. He said, well, can't you clean it up? I said, where do you want me to clean it up?
There's nothing there. It's pretty clean.
I don't know how you made it down here. But so yeah, if it's that far gone, you can't do nothing. I mean, if you had enough, I did some where I'm able to get good metal, you know, 6 inches each way to weld a big plate on it, because you're welding here and here, and you're replacing that middle section. Because if it's so rusty, you can't do nothing. You can't grind the rust, because it's rusted all the way through. Because you know, rust will go in plates. So you know, you'll have 5 plates across, each one of them just be rusted out. So you can't rust, or you can't weld something that's that rusty. So there's sometimes you'll just, oh, I can't use that piece, or no, I can't help you, or you know, I don't know how you're living in getting ready to drop the axle off. But yeah, so just clean things, and it's just trial and error. You know, just don't be afraid. Enjoy what you're doing. You know, where's our little printer? Over here. So this little guy, and we do a lot of metal art. So we was in New Mexico. I'm going to show you real quick what you can do with this and how it just puddles up. Okay, you ready?
Everyone that wanted to got the chance to try to weld. Well, time's getting short and we gotta go. So we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.
Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. But most of all, remember to share so our videos go viral.